Hi y'all, welcome back to Chanda Southern Kitchen. Today we'll be cooking up some southern style black-eyed peas, just like your grandma used to make. Only we're kicking up a notch and letting the slow cooker do all the work. So grab your apron and let's get started. We'll start with 1 pound of black-eyed peas, and before adding them to the crock pot, be sure to rinse and sort through them to make sure they're clean and ready to cook. Next, I added 2 chopped stalks of celery, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, a half a teaspoon of dry thyme, 1 teaspoon of Cajun season, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then I added in 1 12-ounce pack of chopped andouille sausage, 1 chopped green bell pepper, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder. Pour in 1 14-ounce can of fire roasted tomatoes. Add 1 diced medium onion and 6 cups of water. Stir everything together until well combined. Also, if you like, add a dry bay leaf to this for some well extra flavor. Alright y'all, I need to know, are you riding with black-eyed peas over rice? Or are you scooping them up with cornbread like a real one? Drop your team in the comments and let me know. Now you can put the lid on the crock pot and let it do its thing. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or turn it up on high for 4 to 6. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss a single video. Thanks for joining me, you guys, and have a blessed day.